RD, would you confirm that they were the same group that were charged in Lucena City?
Sila po yung involved, Your Honor.
Okay, ba't ayaw magsalita? Ba't ayaw nilang aminin na sila kung sila nga yung kinasuhan?
May nagsisinungaling po dito. It's either si Captain Herrera or si Reyes.
Pumapayag po ba kayo na kung anong sagot ng team leader, yun na rin po ang sagot ninyong lahat?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sasama ka sa lahat ng sasabihin ni Captain Herrera.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kahit sa kasinungalingan.
Again, I move to cite in contempt those 8 PNP personnel.
There's a motion to cite in contempt the 8 PNP officials who have been involved on this operation. Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. So in the last hearing, the committee, upon unanimous vote of the members present, there being a quorum, cited in contempt and ordered the immediate custody and 30 days detention of the former chief of police of Lucena City for lying during his testimony on the buy-bus operation. That it was conducted in Barangay Ransohan, Lucena City, and the raid of the house of one of the witnesses of the committee who is residing in the same barangay. And the committee also unanimously approved the motion to issue a subpoena to Mr. Cesar Rago and Christian Alcala of Lucena City. However, I would like to inform the members that the Lucena City Police were unable to serve the subpoena to the said individuals despite several attempts. The families or relatives of the said individuals refused to receive the said subpoenas on their behalf. On the other hand, the subpoena duces tecum issued to the Human Resource Management Office of Lucena City was duly served, and the HR officer committed to submit the requested documents. Nasa atin na ba yung mga documents? So we have received the documents. Yun po yung sitwasyon ng ating pong committee right now. So since all the resource speakers and those invited, no, na members of this committee are all here, so we may proceed in our discussion. All those resource speakers who have been invited on this hearing, can you kindly, hindi pa kayo nakakapag-take ng oath. So those who have not yet taken their oath, please stand up. And the COMSEC is hereby directed to take the oath of these invited resource speakers.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this inquiry? Please reply with I do. Thank you, sir. Please take your seat.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, before we proceed, I would like to seek permission from the committee if we be allowed to show a CCTV footage of what seems to have happened in Barangay Ransohan at 3 a.m. That morning of May 24. If I may be allowed, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so there's a video clip that will be shown. Have you given the copy to the COMSEC already? Okay, so let's play the video, please.
Yes, I'll try to narrate. Mr. Chair, this was a CCTV footage of what happened in Barangay Ransohan. Here we see unidentified personnel exiting what seems to be a white Mitsubishi L300 van. Dito po kitang-kita at around 3 o'clock a.m. Nasa may kalsada po sila at may pinasok po silang iskinita at tahanan. May isa pa pong footage yan, Mr. Chair, na mas makikita po natin klaro. Or if we can forward it a little bit. Yes, the other footage, please. Yeah, so this is another angle, Mr. Chair, of what happened at 3:10. So makikita po natin may mga nakasibilyan. 3:10 a.m., Barangay Ransohan din po yan. And looking at the outfits of the said individuals, it seems to be the same as those who were present. But what intrigues me, Mr. Chair, is bakit ang daming kalalakihan na naglalakad ng ganitong oras. At mapapansin natin may mga sublit po silang mga bag. And based on our witness, she has mentioned and testified that ito nga daw po yung mapumasok sa kanyang tahanan. And again, we see the same L300 white van. So, thank you very much, Mr. Chair.
That's it.
Yes, that's it.
Wait,
I just wanted to... Yes,
Just wanted to, may plaka ba yung, wala ka nakitang plaka na? Okay. Sige, go ahead, Congressman.
thank you very much. So, Mr. Chair, nandito po yung walo. Walo po ba sila? Team Leader Herrera, are you present? Richie Yuayan, nandito din kayo. Okay. Henry Mascariña Mago. Alvin Zabalya. Alan Abdon. Wilson Peñaverde. Bantila, no? Rene Bartolata. At saka si Unar Cabalsa. Oh. Pwede nyo po bang ma-confirm sa amin kung kayo nga po yung mga nakasuhan nung nakarang linggo sa lungsod ng Lucena?
Anybody can answer that. Siguro meron kayong team leader, di ba? Sino yung team leader niya nan? Sige, sir. Please reply to the query of Congressman Suarez. Were you all the PNP men who have been arrested and filed charges by the COP?
Magandang tanghali po sa ating lahat, sir, mga honor. Ako po si Police Captain Aaron A. Herrera. Ako po ang team leader ng SDO ng Lucena City. Kino-confirm ko po yung sabi ni Your Honor na kami nga po yung inaresto nung sa
And
24, sir.
you were the team leader then?
Yes, Your Honor.
Congressman Suarez.
So, can you also confirm kung kayo po yung nasa video?
Again, Your Honor, I invoke my rights against self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Ayan, dapat yan ang hindi nyo ginagawa dito sa hearing. We are just in aid of legislation. Okay, and anyway, magdadoubt na agad kami sa mga lingwahe mo. Okay, Congressman.
Actually, you're not incriminating yourself, Team Leader Herrera, because we are just asking a simple question. And let's not forget that you have already paid for your bail. Di ba? Nakapagpiyansa na kayo sa final sa inyo? Tama po, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Di kung nakapagpiyansa na kayo, therefore, may kaso po kayong hinaharap. So ang tanong lang po namin, kung kayo nga po yung grupo nung nasa video.
Your Honor, kami po yung nakasuhan sa Lucena noong May 24 at kami po yung nakulong na SDEU team.
So kayo po yung nasa video.
Again, Your Honor, I invoke my rights against self-incrimination.
Kayo po yung grupo na pumasok sa bahay ng witness po ng komitibang ito.
Again, Your Honor, I invoke my rights against self-incrimination.
Mr. Yeah. RD, may gusto po ba kayong...
Yes, Your Honor. I just want to inform this honorable body that in the course of our investigation, we identified one PNP personnel na hindi po nakasama doon sa walo. That puts the PNP personnel to 9, Your Honor, and ito po ay inihabol natin, kinasuhan din po natin, and he is now out on bail, and he is present right now in the name of Police Staff Sergeant Arnel Reyes, Your Honor.
Thank you very much for that information, RD. RD, can you confirm that these are the same police personnel who were placed under regional custody last week?
Yes, Your Honor, under restrictive custody, Your Honor.
Can you please explain to the committee why they were placed in the regional custodial center?
The reason why we put them under restrictive custody is one, para po pag may mga ganitong hearing is madali lang po namin silang ipipresent. And of course, for the main reason that there is an ongoing investigation, both criminal and admin, para po hindi nila ma-impluensyahan yung pagkandak namin ng investigation, Your Honor.
So, you therefore agree that it is important na yung mga witnesses at resource persons na dumadalo dito po sa komitibang ito ay may mahalagang papel na gagampanan para malaman po natin yung totoo at katotohanan sa mga pangyayari. Hindi po ba, RD?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so therefore, again, I would like to direct my questions to the team leader that operated in Ransohan. RD, would you confirm that they were the same group that were charged in Lucena City?
According to the documents in the investigation conducted by Lucena City Police Station, sila po yung involved, Your Honor.
Okay, but ayaw magsalita. Ba't ayaw nilang aminin na sila kung sila nga yung kinasuhan? Simple question lang naman po yun.
Who wants to reply on that query? If nobody will answer, Congressman Suarez, you can proceed with your next question.
RD, PD, maybe you can ask your personnel to be more cooperative. Is this the expected decorum that the House will receive from PNP officials and resource persons?
Your Honor, they are well informed na ito po yung tatakbuhin ng ng hearing na to. And I mentioned to them na mga tanong is ito yung lilinyahin. But of course, hindi rin po naman natin din na pwedeng ipagsalang-alang sa din yung karapatan nila, Your Honor.
Mukhang nakapag-briefing na rin sila, Chairman Akop, ano? So, you know what, Mr. Chair, kaya po mahalaga po para sa atin ito is because we were investigating in aid of legislation a very important matter, which is violence and which was harassment that happened in the last barangay elections. And then unfortunately, a resource person who testified in Congress received the same violence and harassment after she testified. And now are we supposed to accept this type of attitude and decorum? Para pong pagdidisrespeto na po talaga yan sa Kongreso at sa mga karapatan at kapangyarihan po natin bilang legislators, Mr. Chair. And these are very, very dangerous waters for the organization and for those involved. So, Mr. Chair, I seek your guidance before we...
Sige, before anything else, Congressman Paduano is recognized.
Thank you, Chairman. My question will be addressed to Captain Herrera. Okay. On the early morning of May 24, may operation po ba kayo?
Yes, Your Honor. Meron
Okay.
po. By bus po, Your Honor.
By bus. Anong oras nangyari yung by bus?
Sa record po namin ay 5:50, Your Honor.
5:50. Oh, before that by bus, at 5:50, anong oras kayo sa area?
Mga 3 a.m. po, Your Honor.
3 a.m. Okay, 3 a.m. And, Mr. Chairman, on record, past 3 a.m., nangyaring pagpasok doon sa bahay ng witness natin. Last May 24, 2024. 2 days after we conducted the hearing in this committee. Captain Herrera, sino kayong chief of police mo that time?
Your Honor, our Chief of Police that time is Police Lieutenant Colonel Reynaldo Reyes, sir.
Colonel Reyes.
Yes, sir.
Tinawagan ka ba ni Colonel Reyes before that operation? Nung umaga? Nung nasa area na kayo?
As I recall, sir, Your Honor, is ako po ang tumawag sa kanya, Your
Mga
Honor.
anong oras?
3:15, Your Honor. 3:15.
3:15.
Yes po. Hindi po. 5:15 po. 5:13, I think.
Dali ah.
Can we confirm
Hindi.
whether 3:15,
Hindi. Kaya nga,
3:50, medyo
ganito.
ano po?
Eksaktuhin mo kasi yung 2 oras, malabo yun. Pwedeng minuto,
I stand
magkaiba.
corrected, Your Honor.
What time?
5:13 po.
Ito alam ko na kapag nabasa mo na rin yung statement ni Colonel Reyes, alam ko rin na kapag case conference rin kayo. Now, ito, 5:13. Correct?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay. Anong pinag-usapan nyo nung 5:13 na yun?
Tinawagan ko po siya, I personally inform him
Sandali.
na may bypass operation po kami.
Okay. Ikaw ang tumawag.
Yes, Your Honor, ako po ang tumawag.
O sige nga, tinawagan mo siya na may bypass. Ano pa? Ano pa pinag-usapan nyo?
Yun lang po, Your Honor, may bypass operation po kami sa Barangay
Okay.
Ransuan.
Yun lang. Yun lang po.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Oh, so Mr. Chairman, may nagsisinungaling po dito. It's either si Captain Herrera or si Reyes. Pero tama pong oras. 5:13. Pinapanag po nga yung dokumento. Hindi ko makita pero matandaan ko yung oras. Now, 5:13. At 5:03. At 5:03 in the morning, the same day, may information si Colonel Reyes doon sa lugar na yon. Sa Barangay Ransuan. Ransuan ba? Barangay Ransuan. Now, so, Captain Herrera, you're still standing that you're the one who called your chief of police and informed him na may bypass kayo.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay, so it's either Colonel Reyes, again, Mr. Chairman, or Captain Herrera ang nagsisinungaling po dito. Nandito na ba si Colonel Reyes?
Nakakulong.
Andun, Colonel Reyes. Colonel, during the previous hearing, well, in fact, binasa mo pa nga eh. Kaya kinuha ko yung papel kasi sabi ko nga, hindi mo kailangan magkaroon ng notes because that only happens a week ago. A week after that last week na hearing. Now, Colonel Reyes, your statement during the time, Colonel Reyes, pwede ka bang lumipat na lang dito? Lipat ka lang dito para ano?
We have an open seat here.
Then we will discuss about your appeal. Baka
Colonel
mamaya.
Reyes here.
Para,
Colonel.
eto, Captain Herrera, you're not anymore invoking your right to self-incrimination. You're now answering my question. Tama?
Yes po, Your Honor.
But do you know the consequence? If ever this committee will find out that you're lying, alam mo ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ano ang konsekwensya?
Makakontempt po ako, Your Honor.
Yeah, it will be cited in contempt. Now, Colonel Reyes,
You
Wait,
hear,
with the permission of Congressman Paduano, can I just ask, yung ibang miyembro ng team, kayo po ba ay pumapayag na kung ano ang sasagutin ng inyong team leader, yun na rin ang sagot ninyo?
tanungin natin si Corporal Alan Dalus Abdon. Corporal Alan Abdon. What can you say about the statement of your team leader?
Hindi, pumapayag po ba kayo na kung anong sagot ng team leader, yun na rin po ang sagot ninyong lahat?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tawagin natin para isa-isa, para to give fairness to each and every one of you, ha? Remember, again, reminding, huwag kayong magsisinungaling. Si Sergeant Richie Ledesma Yuwayan. So, what is your take on this?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, sasama ka sa lahat ng sasabihin ni Captain Herrera?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kahit sa kasinungalingan?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes or no? Sergeant, Iwayan. Yes or no? Kahit sa kasinungalingan? Yes or no?
Sabay-sabay kayo.
Hindi, open your mic, please. Open your mic. Ayan na yan, nakaubos na. Kahit po sa kasinungalingan, sasamahan po natin si Captain Herrera?
No, Your Honor.
Yun. No, Your Honor. Okay. Sergeant Henry Mascareña Mago.
No, Your Honor po.
Anong no? Hindi mo yung first question, lahat ng sasabihin ni Captain Herrera, sasamahan mo ba? No. Si Sergeant Henry Mago. Si Alvin Rainier Reyes Saballa. Lahat ba na sasabihin ni
Mr. Chair,
Captain Herrera?
bago
Sige,
natin ito,
go ahead.
Sergeant Mago, anong ranko mo?
PMSG po.
Ano?
Police Master Sergeant.
Police
Sergeant.
Master Sergeant?
Master Sergeant.
Retirable ka na?
Pwede na po sir, mag-retired po. 25 years na po ako.
Ano? Kailan ka magre-retire? Pwede ka na.
Pwede na po.
Optional. Optional o mandatory?
Optional po.
Optional. Right, ilang taong ka nang nasa serbisyo?
25 po.
25. Ilang taong ka na?
49 po.
49. So kung 56, 7 years to go sa mandatory,
Opo.
ay baka hindi mo naabutin yun.
Pero hindi naman
Baka
daw siya
makulong
susunod.
ka na.
Congressman, Chairman, mukhang hindi naman daw siya sasama sa lahat ng sasabihin.
Ganun ba?
Can you kindly sit on the other side? Can you kindly sit, Sergeant Henry Mascareña Mago? Can you sit on the side of the of our PD? Okay. Si Corporal Alan Dalus Abdon. Sir, are you going to go with the with all the justification ni Captain Herrera?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, okay. Si Corporal Wilson Peñaverde Bantilan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. Si Corporal Rene Jan Martinez Bartolata.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yes. Junar Kabuyaw Kabalsa.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yes, okay. You want to proceed or
Hindi.
ayun sa Balya pala? Hindi, nagsabi na yung sa Balya. Sino? Si Corporal Alvin Rainier Reyes sa Balya? Have you answered? What's your take? Sasama ka sa lahat na sasabihin?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Alright. Sige. Okay, proceed. Hindi, kasi yung ikasyam, hindi ko alam, wala akong record nung ikasyam.
Si Sergeant Reyes, Chairman.
Sergeant Reyes, andyan ba? O, Sergeant Reyes, your take.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Chairman.
Sige.
Can I
Okay,
proceed,
go ahead.
Chairman? Mr. Chairman, I was just interested with regards to the first question raised by DS Gigi Suarez. Now, CD Reyes, Colonel Reyes, did you hear the statement and the claims of Captain Herrera? Number one, he's claiming that he's the one who called you, not the other way around.
Yes, sir.
So, alin ang totoo? Ikaw ang tumawag o siyang tumawag?
Siya po ang tumawag, sir.
Siyang tumawag.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, siyang tumawag, ah?
Yes, sir, Honor.
Okay. Now, during the discussion, ang sabi niya, ang pinag-usapan niyo raw daw is all about the buy-bus operation. Is that true?
Meron pa po, sir.
Sandali, huwag mo muna sagutin, pag-ipatayin mo. Mayroon pa raw, Captain Herrera, ano pang pinag-usapan niyo? Ito, pagbibigyan kita, ha? Pagbibigyan kita. Ano pa? Just tell the truth. You're under oath. Pag nakamali ka, pasensyahan tayo, I will cite you in contempt. I will move to cite you in contempt. Kanina sabi mo, yun ang pinag-usapan. Pagbibigyan kita, isang pagkakataon, ano pa ang pinag-usapan nyo?
Diniscuss din po sa akin ni COP na tinanong po sa akin mismo kung kami ang pumasok sa bahay ni Reynalyn. Yun din po ang pinag-usapan namin, Your Honor.
O di, ngayon, nagsasabi ka na ng totoo. Kanina, nagsisinungaling ka. Tama? So, wini-withdraw mo yung first statement mo kanina. Nang pinag-usapan nyo, you just inform your CD that there is an ongoing buy-bust. Tinanong kanya kung kayo ang pumasok doon sa bahay ng witness namin. Tama?
Yes po, Your Honor.
So, at least binago mo. So, you stand now by your new statement. Hindi, tinatanong kita para on record.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, nung tinanong ka, that was 5:13 EM. Ang operation nyo happens 5:50. Tama?
Yes po, Your Honor.
That's 37 minutes after that conversation. Question. You were there at 3 a.m. Anong ginawa nyo? Ba't 5:50 kayo nag-operate?
Your Honor, we are preparing for a planned operation by bus operation, sir.
You're preparing in the area? Ikaw ba naman? Kapitan, hindi ako pulis, pero hindi mo ako pwedeng lukuhin. Almost 3 hours? Nandun na kayo sa area, tapos naghanda kayo? Ganon? O Magno? Magno? Mago?
Sir,
Oh, you were there at 3 o'clock in the morning. And ang hepe mo sa drug enforcement unit team o drug enforcement team. 3 oras kayo doon na naganda. Sorry?
sir, pwede po na baguhin ko po yung kanina na nalito lang po ako na kung sasama po sa team leader. Yung ang tanong po sir sa akin kanina kung sasama sa lahat na sasabing dito to, ay ako po ay sasama po sa kanila. Kahit kung lahat po ng sasabihin ng aming team leader, doon na din po ako po.
So nagbago ka na?
Opo, nalito lang po ako kanina. Kasi ang tanong po ay kung sasama doon sa mga kabulanan kasi nung halika.
Okay.
Ay sasama na po ako doon.
So ang tanong ko, pinatutuhanan mo na 3 oras kayo doon sa barangay before the operation takes place. 3 oras kayo doon sa barangay. Naganda.
Hindi ko na po tanda.
Ha?
Hindi ko na po tanda.
Oh, hindi mo na matandaan?
Yes, sir.
So, hindi mo matandaan kung alas 3 kayo dumating doon? At saka, anong oras kayo nag-operate?
Hindi na po.
Chairman, problema to. Baka siyang maunang makontent dito kaysa sa si Captain Herrera.
I invoke my rights po against self